Ka Bharatiya Janata Party mentang sngi khat nyotrik unailar kala yoban Pdiang daki Ngut ki Dkhot Thymmai ha ka jinga shimentalang ki MLA ka BJP lembat usiet president jong ka uba Ernest Mauri ha ka jingkran Pdiang sngoba yakini Dkhot Thymmai kan thai bat chinrang uba sanbor shulai la Pdiang kluit ru ya General Secretary Barim ka Nationalist Congress Party NCP uba bat kupar nongrum uba lawan menyaso lang sya ka BJP.
On behalf of the party, we express our sincere thanks to each and every one of you, all our brothers and sisters, all your friends who have come from the area part of Shillong, Georgia, party. So the president has announced also that later on, each one of you, your form will be filled up by the members of the party, and accordingly, all the names will be recommended and forwarded through the portal of the party. And we do hope that with your help and support, because from looking at your face, smiling face, you join the party right from the bottom of your heart.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. The MC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.